Hi, this is Chef Dave with Fagor. In our video series, we're going to be touching on the 4 cooking modes for the Fagor Advanced Plus Combi Oven. Today's video is going to focus on steaming and our steaming mode. When using the steam mode in our Fagor Advanced Plus Combi Oven, you're going to be able to blanch things like tomatoes or steaming asparagus, poaching shrimp, or even doing dry pasta. Yes, I said dry pasta in an oven. And some of the benefits of using that steam mode are that you're going to have a more nutritious product, no flavor transfer, and a faster production time in using that. When we're going to steam all these vegetables, we're going to do it, and the pasta and the shrimp, we're going to do it 2 ways. One, we're going to do a single timer for our pasta, 212 degrees for 15 minutes. With these 3 products, we're going to show you how we can do multiple products in the combi oven at the same time using our multi-tray system. Each one will be a different timer with a different time for each product. So let's set up the first oven. We'll hit the steam button. We'll set it for 212 degrees. Hit OK. And now we'll come down. We already have the lines here. That means it's ready to continuous run. So now we'll just hit start to make sure the oven's preheated. So now for these 3 products, the asparagus, the tomatoes, and the shrimp, we're going to do in our multi-tray system. And how we do that is we hit our menu button here. We have our multi-tray system here. We'll talk about some of the times and temperatures. So let's just say our shrimp took 5 minutes. We'll put that there. And then our asparagus on tray number 4, that took 4 minutes. We'll put that there. And then blanching our tomatoes, we'll put down on tray 7. And that's just going to take 1 minute. And we'll hit OK. And now we're ready to go. So come on back when these preheated and we'll load this product in the oven. Okay, so now our combi's preheated to 212 degrees for our pasta. We're going to cover it with some water. Get it all covered up. Load it in. Close the door. Now we're going to hit our timer. Set for 15 minutes. And it's already on start, so we're ready to go. 15 minutes later, we're going to have fresh pasta done. Now our pasta's in the oven cooking. We're going to load up our other oven in our multi-tray system with our asparagus, our tomatoes, and our shrimp. Okay, so here we go. We're going to load the shrimp. Remember, we did the shrimp on tray number 2. We did the asparagus on tray number 4. Oh, I can't count. That's 4. And then we did our tomatoes on tray number 7. Got them all in. We hit start. There we go. We'll come back in a minute to pull out the tomatoes, and then we'll start that multi-tray system, pulling out the asparagus after that and the shrimp after that. Now our timer's ringing for our tomatoes, so we're going to open that up and take it out. We'll close the door. And the next set of timers will kick right back in. Come back in a minute or 2 and we'll see the asparagus. Here we go, our asparagus are beeping now. I have my tomatoes in my ice water, ready to peel. Beautiful green asparagus. We'll close the door, and in another couple minutes we'll have the shrimp. So come on back and see how those look, nice and poached. Okay. We hear our beeper going on back there. That's for our shrimp. Let's pull those out. Beautiful poached shrimp. So you'll see we did asparagus, blanched tomatoes, and poached shrimp all in the combi at once with our multi-tray system. Another couple minutes, come back, we'll see that dry pasta I was talking about earlier. Okay, we hear our buzzer beeping back there in that combi for our pasta. Let's get it out and check it out now. Now remember, that was dry pasta. We just covered it with water. We took 15 minutes. I don't think you could boil water in 15 minutes to do this amount of pasta, but we did it in our combi today. Beautiful al dente. So you see the range of products we did in Steam today, everything that it can do for you. Please come back and see our continual cooking series on our 4 cooking modes. Thanks a lot. See you later.